electric ukulele lessons. We're at jam level, so I'm just showing the clip and then the isolated track. And if you're a beginner, you might start with the earlier episodes where I go slower. I call this mixed jam level because I would like to say there's a method to how I choose my songs, but it's mostly madness. I kind of play what I feel like playing, and so some songs are easier and some more challenging, and the sequence is pretty random. But as these videos go on, there is a progression in that I'm including more effects. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and Zoom G3XN. Next up is the settings and tab, and you can screen cap them if it's helpful. Tune your uke and let's play.